Okay, let's look at a few more things with logs. Now, here's a problem we have. Notice this right here, the 3 is your base. Okay, this board's very loud when I'm clicking on it. I apologize for that. Here is your exponent, which is normally the answer when we're doing a log. And then here's our typical answer. So we want to write this as a log is what we have said. So here's the deal. All right, there's log. We need a piece here equals piece here, right? Now, we read it always as the log of such and such base. Well, who is the base? Well, our base in this case was a 3, right? 3 was the base. And this is going to be read log of 9 base 3 equals. This answer to a log is always the exponent value, remember, which in this case would just simply be who? X. So this equation right here rewritten in log form is the log of 9 base 3 equals the unknown x, which is always your exponent. So there's one example. Let's look at the next example. We want to write this in log form. Well, this is our base, we know, and this is our exponent. So this is going to be log, log of, it's going to be 64. This answer over here is always what goes right here. So the log of 64 base 4 equals the unknown x. So because we know that this is the base, 4 to that power gives you that answer there. It just takes a while getting used to writing it this way. The easiest way I find is to always identify the base, and I know the answer to a log is always an exponent. Okay, that's the whole idea to logarithms. So this guy, log, okay, what's our answer? Our answer is y, because our base is 3, so here 3 equals, it always equals, in a log, the answer is always equal to the exponent. So that's how that one is rewritten. Again, it takes a little while. Just know this is always your base, this is always your exponent, and this y here is always the answer to the problem that you and I are used to. That's how that's going to work. Now let's look at solving. If they give it to us in logarithm form, let's solve the problem. So to do this, all you and I are going to do is rewrite it. It says the log of x base 3 equals 3. So here's base 3, right? The log of x base 3 equals 3. Well, what is this 3? That 3 is the exponent. And it all equals that x piece right there. So x is equal to 3 to the third. So x is 27. What about this one? Well, I have log of 36 base x. There's my base. Is equal to 2. That's my exponent. And that equals the number that's right here always. So x squared equals 36. So what is x? 6. Well, what about this? Okay, well, here's my base. Equals to that's my exponent, equals 16. 2 to what power 16? Now, the next lesson, we're actually going to learn how to solve this if this had been difficult, like a 5 to the x power equals 16, which is the whole main reason we really want to mess with the logs. But right now, I expect you to know 2 to the what power? I expect you to know, hey, 2 to the 4th power is 16 because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 gives us that. And here's our final. Here's our base. Here's our exponent equals y over 3. Okay, well, 5 squared is 25 equals y divided by 3. We're trying to solve for y, so we multiply both sides by 3, and you and I get our answer of what? 75. Again, all you have to do is rewrite it and then solve for the variable in this case. Not too difficult, okay? Just it takes a while to practice.